haul of New Market and Goriahat, the most awesome haul. But as you know, in our previous videos we went to Goriahat and New Market and we promised a haul, so here it is. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Also, Merry Christmas. Let's start with this blush pink sweater dress from New Market. It's a beautiful color and it's so soft and comfortable. I mean, it's like you're wearing cotton, and it's for I think 250 rupees, which is like a fair price for this kind of material. And also you will have to wear a coat or something because it's not that warm, but yeah, it's so comfortable. Although it's not body hugging, but it's like it will look really good on you. Next up is this beautiful blue sweater. It's from those 100 rupees stalls from Goriahat, and this one caught my eye because of this beautiful embroidery done here. It's not embroidery, I don't know what this is called, but yeah. And the button is also so cute, and I love blush pink, blush blue, this type of colors, so I had to have it. And yeah, for 100 rupees, I think this is like a deal of the day. Also from those 100 rupees stalls, I got this white sweater. This has little pearls here. Although some of them are missing, I don't actually mind because I can always sew them, and this is so comfortable. I had to have it. And you know, this gives those Korean vibes if you wear this with a like short skirt, mini plaited skirt, or any type of mini skirts and high boots, and it will be perfect, like perfect. I love this, and it fits me like perfectly. I mean, I want that loose kind of look, and it gives me like that, so yeah, I love this. Next up, I got this purple sweater. This is also for 100 rupees, but the thing is, I actually bought this for the color and the material. Even though the material is soft and the color is beautiful, this actually doesn't fit me well. It's actually loose in the wrong places, like here and here, and it like looks terrible on me, but still I'm gonna figure out a way to wear it. I just love the color. It's like such a pretty purple. This one is also for 100 rupees. It's for my mother, and yeah, it's also kind of pink, kind of purple color. It's like the material is like really warm, and it's like really good, and in the sleeves it has like this kind of design, which is like so pretty. And yeah, it fits her well, and it's actually really cute, so perfect. And also it's like really cheap, okay, 100 rupees is cheap for this kind of sweaters, so yeah. Next up, we got this cute little fake cactus. Yeah, it's actually fake, but it looks kind of real. It's for 100 rupees, it's from Goriahat, but in New Market they said it's for like 300 rupees, which is like quite costly for this kind of like little cactus, because if you can pay 300 rupees, you can just buy a real cactus. It's for like 250 rupees. So yeah, this is kind of cute, and it's for 100 rupees and will make a great showpiece. Next we have this zipper. I always wanted a zipper. I love those kind of unicorn zippers in Instagram stores, but it's like really costly. So I got this really cheap zipper, and it's also pink in color, and it's for 150 rupees. I've already used it. So this is the zipper. It's kind of cute. It also has this ice kind of look, like it. You will see ice here, and yeah, this is not that long, but yeah, it kind of works. And it's for 150 rupees, which is like really cheap for a zipper. So now the most costly product of the haul, I got this once again black coat from Goriahat. Yeah, it's for 400 rupees. It's pretty costly, but according to the the material and the quality, it's gotta be like that price, and it also fits me because all the other clothes are like really big and bulky for me, and this one's the perfect size. Also, one more thing about this is made in Korea, which is like a bonus points. I love Korean things and Korean boys, whatever. And yeah, you can like pair it up with any kind of short dresses, and actually this blush pink dress and this coat goes really well together. I tried it and I loved it. So yeah, you need to have this kind of long coats in your wardrobe. It just makes everything better. Next we have this super soft, super comfortable pink pajamas. It's so soft. It's for 200 rupees. First I thought it was like costly because 150 is a good price for this one, but this was so soft that I couldn't resist, and it's also so cute. You can watch our haul video to find more about this kind of, actually all kind of clothes, because I made a detailed haul video. And yes, it's super comfy, and I don't have anything more to say about this one. So let's move on. Now we got this red sweater for, it's really thin. It's for 50 rupees, and I love it because according to the price this is pretty comfortable. And yeah, also this is also made in Korea. Oxygen. I am obsessed with Korea, okay? Don't judge me. Next up we have this shoes, green colored ones. These are flats, like totally flats and really casual. It's for 200 rupees, but I could have bargained more, but let's just face it. New market shopkeepers are really inflexible. So whatever, flats are always comfortable and you can wear it anytime, anywhere. So now we have some ear puffs. It's pretty blush pink in color. I think I'm getting more and more obsessed with pink. I didn't like pink when I was like a kid. I thought it was like so girly and so childish to like pink, but now I can like proudly say I like pink, and most of my things are pink. Whatever. Yeah, these are pretty cool. These are for 100 rupees. And also I got more things in pink. I got this pretty fox fur clips. They are for 40 rupees one pair. These are pretty cute. It has a cute little crown and these are just perfect. And also got some bows. Same price, 40 rupees one pair. These are also pink and white in color. And it looks pretty cute. But it's easy to make at home. Do you want a tutorial video? Do you want a DIY? Just comment on it. You're always here. Now, last but not least, definitely not least, bags. So first we have this black Angry bag. The only complaint I have about this one is that the shopkeeper wanted to show me this and his nail kind of scratched here and it made a mark. It legit made a mark here. But I just liked it so much, I ignored it. Please don't ignore things like this because I am dumb, I am idiot. You are not. And this is for 300 rupees. The quality is not that good. I don't know why I bought this though. The quality is not good. It has marks, but I still kind of couldn't show my back to this. So yeah, I had to have this one. And also this is so cool. It has a chain in the back. It has a chain in the front. It has like really good quality chains. Like the chains are like shining. Shine bright like a diamond. No, we will get copyright, sorry. Also it has a little chain here, like a pocket chain. And also like many compartments here, so it's not that bad. But I'm just really disappointed about this mark. I don't know. This was pretty good bag. Why did you have to mark this? whatever. Moving on. This is also a 300 rupees bag. I like this much better than the previous one. It also has like a pretty lock which I'm yet to decipher how to do it right. But yeah, the fox leather is pretty good and the chains are good, no, but not that good. But it has so many compartments and the straps are also really good. This is also for, yeah, I already said this, also for 300 rupees. Both of them are from New Market. Obviously, Gaudiya doesn't have this kind of bags. And you can also use this as a handbag. So pretty cool, right? I really like Christmas and all that Christmas lights and stuff, but we never really celebrated it or like bought a tree and decorated it. But this year, like we wanted to, and after going to New Movie, we thought about buying one tree from Gaudiya, but after much speculations and discussions, we went to New Market and just I think we searched the whole market, and after a lot of searching we went to Sriram Market, and in that like a little corner, a little shop I could see, and there I found my soulmate. This the things are just falling. This tree, this is for 160 rupees, I know, right? Pretty cheap, and also has like stand and some stuff. I also actually bought some Christmas stuff. We haven't really put all of those. Some are still here. This is for 40 rupees. It has a star and bells and stuff. This is also for 40 rupees, and this is also for 40 rupees. And the rest of the stuff are like here. You can obviously see. Also got a guardian. So yeah, I think we are done. Yeah. So guys, this is it. We are done with this haul. If you guys have any recommendations about any videos, just comment down below or let us know in our Instagram. So yeah, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year in advance. Go have fun, but always wear a mask and use hand sanitizer. We are still in a pandemic. So bye guys. Love.